Ababa so no nyumtuni Queen Haizel ye kasei enti a enyane se odaya wansori wato anananum ewonsie do. Ababa bakwa yebeka se Ghana ha osefisi as a musician na Songstress fu ya bobo mudin chese yentimi nyine din emfimu Queen Haizel na ababa wei oyanyumtuni a niema amanfo ete ne nkadodo na na nsentamu nsem bi okokan yefa ne ho se ono no edi kura no wanya kura orgasm de se menka se ne ho ba chese ne ho ba mpe ahuru bebiri within dakuru bia no otuni na kura tragota na ne ho aba ucheze wo gym kura na ne ho sheki kakra bia na ne ho aba na ni titiru pa ne se wahunu bema bu ekukum anase ne bum ene na unya kura nka bema no meda no so ba bi wo na no ni no na sister ya ni din Queen Haizel na dodo na e de frɛ no e wonyumtu mu yi no ne maame efri mu no ne maame eyobia na oton kosuente ma adwuma no ebeda no so a anyumto no oyese nkode to kakra na wato ni kosua nanso no nyame ade anyankopon de ahye wonsa de oye den a obeye ntino ho ana nwum na ba no watro ho ana nwum na ba no watro na Queen Haizel ene odaya one sorry according to reports ye kan free say ken.net any 1minutegh.com also na as to say edian de potin na ye no yentimi ensisu people enkyerese ebia na ya de kodi ewu a aba besensen amansan kwa bena 19 no anase se onya aka kwanhia anase de ni yentimi nkyere enkyeremu a yenya ya kyerese ababa wei nebna ahimachina ade achian anopeya ena ojamu toye na arehusem ba kokura esan hye na etwa yam kura ne se enrada yewura na natufo onyumtuni ekọ ne nkrechi no Queen Haizel etro on Facebook emanu nantiye ene se ne atono no yebema abusuafo nyina hyeden yama adofo nyina yakọ na yenkohwe ni interviewer yebeka se we ene ne kwata anase ne last interview anase ne first and last interview ye Coffee TV so ansana okọ ne nkrechi ene nchechiremu a odemaaye senka ohwe anim se by 5 years time no na baby ode nwom to akodu ene kwan afa so ma ne ho ba kakra na chese pants kitu ebikura etwi ni na atani anase ne twi ani no ni pim sebe se pant kura etwi a ema ne ho ba no nchechemu odemaaye no yenkohwe bi
ina yesa ofre ena me no nyankopon ma me writing inti me chopa inti me mama we me imagine say I wouldn't do music again. But me wo na nwoma ba na matro. Na nwoma ba na matro. Na nwoma ba na matro. Na me say no, say na de na ye no. I think say my mom is dead. But right after her death, maybe 5 years no, I'll be cool with my life and everything. Me quitting music. But na me say I'll be having that regret of not doing music because there are a lot of things that I want me more. I think I will be a prophetess for Ghana when it comes to music.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I feel. Because nyama ma feel more still nyankopon sustain me a ma be do say na metimi won say there are lots nka me kwa me because some time back no as a kid around 9-10 years I think my mom used to say measles. Te me wa ha no kwa me to ba ko ni o.
To ba ko ni o. Yeah,
I have only one booty. Me ton about yeah. I come here like me measles.
Ada unti ba ko na ya ehia na.
No, like ense dan here ba eno na evidence I would be who say me say me can story ni ba. Into like I was supposed to die cause your mommy medicine na me fe my blood many tuntum no right na was someone injecting me and yes I'll just die. So my mom had to my grandfather military man but also a doctor. So now people come to him at home. Until like my mom and him had to connive and almost saw me 9. Obi a me wu no. My body ni me say if it didn't like the needles and stuff like that. As a modern woman, me shake me home. And I drew no, you say a very powerful tea. It got to the wrong places in my butt. and I'm a bank no in a air pump. Tina mintimint na say it's a stone. Yeah, tea. A pie and according to my mom, or say my grandfather didn't say shimwa. It goes deep. My grandfather answer. Yeah. So from there Nana, a lot of testimonies started happening about me. So because I'm at Mayaka, I don't think tomorrow 10 days and it will be so much. I feel say there's a lot I have to offer to Ghanaians. But fast forward, and I'm music more make back say and yes I would come back to music. Me mami who you know, the juma now or not on kusia or market. See by default now I had to start selling to take care of the family and myself. Until from then I'm here my and yes since I was zero and semi person why don't I save the money that I will use to beautify myself as a woman? I'd rather save it. Now I'll pursue my career again. Because nobody seems to be ready to help. Because anything, I won't say at least why a big kakran so that people will start to help you. So then I started supporting myself. But I told the me dropping you. Every time the time frame I made the service car made the year recording now I started a video. Now for space I been. Now was me sit back. Now me train into from that side na me starting feeling say no I want to as a mean music na as a minja but still na me person me here. Okay. Then me issues now so I start to say I fall into say
no,
meaning
issues no
like me okay like me physical body the way it reacts and I said the way I act and I function in a day, no, and also start to say in the gym. When I'm dating somebody, I don't cheat. If I'm dating one guy, say 5 years, me doing, because my sexual lifestyle is very different from what other people have. It makes it very difficult for me to go date another person. Because me cheating, the person will end up getting stuck to me, and then like, or I just say most of the time now. I was having a time near the money to say me date here. Very difficult for me to cheat. From like time I start to realize it say no ababeye problem my babeye an infomaniac you can check on Google. Like me like insect. The more the person is close to me, like me who Chester, I just want to have like make out a TV, so I don't want to use some words and I can use anyone. Like me who my partner no me who Chester, I just want to have sex. Say me who na ne body like until like if you look at me obedient say I'm possessed but I am not. I have some certain feelings it happens on its own. Until it took time for people who were dating me to be able to understand what was really happening. So like me share pants me dress you na ma share me panta na me track gutter na me step here. Me nice see her at once too harder. Me timinya orgasm. Me Jimmy na say me pants na shift kakra. Me nya orgasm sisi me skippy. Me nya orgasm sisi. So like no started by here no so be started here problems kakra ma me say. I say me wo studio na me record it now. All I'm thinking about is making out with my partner and stuff like that. And like I felt say it draw me back. See sometimes no instead of me to go to the studio to record and stuff, you find me with my partner and stuff. Yeah. Okay. So basically a lot of things. But
what I heard 17 times a day.
Yeah.
17 times.
Yeah, it's not accurate like 17.
But how can that be?
It can be more or less. It depends.
What activities and on a basis within a day?
Like I always say.
Oh, sorry, now or sensitivity.
No. Me say it would never make me come.
Okay.
I know but any like physical contact with my clit.
Okay.
Like I come say you want to say pant on say imba obi or your babia will understand this thing I'm saying. Okay, member so more was hard you know. Say ultimate say o shatare na o zip it me fa yeah. By then panty.
Okay.
Yeah, into sometimes obetimi asha pant na ebia is too tight. Me instead of say bear me yano. a trigger me clit na menya orgasm.
Wow. O she pante tighter.
Yeah, na once a line.
No,
not like that. Let me say one line na at that pant ni mono.
Yeah.
It's harder than the wings of the panty.
Okay.
Most of the time. And also na one middle of your vagina no inti. Like me say na say me say I can't. This is what will happen to me. Most of the time me share pants. But me imagine say me share pants here. So like me making sure say it will go outside where the position of clit no one. But me yet movement be not a shift here. I can't amenya orgasms here.
Wow.
Yeah, until me then physical contact with my clit no. I don't most of the time it's to vibrations to say your friend is saying massage Jim your idea be obi agina so mo shaking obi I will never go close to that thing. I'll be screaming. People won't understand why. A lot of people don't, because when you come once they will judge you.
Yeah. Instead
of people to call and find out what's really wrong with you and stuff like that, they'll just judge you. What is wrong with this girl? What started to explain me as a debut woman. They will judge you right now. So you rather keep quiet and then you suffer.